Ikan me Tuesday pange. Oh, let me see. How it yours? Meeting alia lagala it yours. I hope this finds you in good shape, good condition. Look, I got shibaosin ke lemsing. Naging academia shibin tako sila. Ikoy ang sharam ki special election si may urek ki lenlongulya ki malim fasha. February lenlongulya. Napangakita ko ng anak konye lakatas ke finpa payashma si lumang aki kung ako in share na shiwas ngaki tagapin may remind you folks that there's going to be a special election and there is actually a timetable for what's involved in the process like for the 25th there's going to be that's the deadline for submitting your request for absentee ballot so that's why I'm here. I wanted to kind of quickly, touch upon what we have control over, which is the request for the request for the absentee ballot, which the deadline would be tomorrow. We're 24th, and back home in KOSRAE, if it is a Micronesia, that deadline would fall into the 25th of this month. So. Parang aki sal ka ek amay sa file kitin fact na makusro tasak. Wang na pa choice ingin nga kita ko nang academic usin me. Be aware kung usin ito layas me special election shirik ki len longolya ki malim fashion na deadline na ki request absentee ballot kung finde mata HONOLULU mata kung maui ilo ka lanay ma kung teka umina kun request may kumfin lang siya we vote ke may election siya nga tasak ta kulangan may code through the regular program where I'm gonna play a song and then we'll say a prayer together and then we'll jump into the agenda or the purpose of me coming on so I could share with you. So let's do exactly that. I'm gonna play a song, share the world clock with you folks, so you can know your other folks, where they at. So I'll be sharing different time zones. If you're in Micronesia, if you're in KOSRAE, Pohnpei, if you're in Guam, and new relatives and friends are in the mainland, Washington, Dallas, Colorado. That's my intention, to be able to, get you in tune with each other. So if you're like noontime, so that you're aware that your folks in your friends in the mainland are not, they're probably sleeping because of time difference, 6 hours or so. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and put on one song and then we'll go from there. Once ko malal son Will Done, son Makulang, passed away not too long ago. It seems like yesterday. Natas Pason, Mawiesh Pason. Alena, it's a privilege, honor for me to be able to put on one of his beautiful recording, one of his beautiful songs. So, so mga like in fact, ma lame efa in nga, ka lame efa nga, lame efa nga. Look, I'm gonna bring it to the. This is my backyard. I was gonna fix it where you can see we have a full moon out there right now. It's just so bright, so nice, beautiful and bright. So I was gonna set up my camera where you could actually see our Hawaiian moon over here. But unfortunately I wasn't able to manage that, so we'll forget that next time. If I do a broadcast tomorrow, I'll go ahead and share it with you. Oops. Isak look ke volume ke. Siguro unsa ko nga April na kat move forward from there. If I malal son Wilton, thank you, Ellen, at least thank you, ma, tawala talon. Let leave this malawu ka siya. Alang siya pa along siya. Anak manas ngakum tagani pasla yemadan kachi pelchingi katagani pray kat flaten alash falgin fakulo kulo kaksakin kum ke kalang lom lang siloman ke wasamakat palakin katakilen ko makuya mo lash ke pauntal kaditala mangi matagaspin lang silom ate ki maspin mama katorela kulo malap ni ke pelchingi ki ikan duste singi kum kolma mo lash ko makuya ko matin siwoye Umesi pekko in mano shik ngan ka inda ka in akfashi fin raksila kinye anak manas lalangan isamkum maani ka wasya masom ke in wali kle ka mga akfashi ngan ka in posisiri nakalin la wang ni talak si fena wangan ka in si fena lak malagangay ngan shikum tapan kumpel na kaiwa Klo malapek ka sa inye katakilin mislayen pela oska na pelin na phone sa inye na Kaya ako lang an ora podcast sila ngay lo siya ma planning pe ka finsakin may lo sinwian ngay pang na sumbe pa matal na manas kasi kat kiwa esingan matalom na ki moulars na ki shawlars na ki liknadars na ki rikmalars na ki enmakat matawi esin misle fin pa ngan fok ko nanakuluk ko hoyes siya may tagay nakuluk ikadak masi manus ko ak ngalim manus kat Kafisung kumin nas las la mainga kayo kaditala mama sikya ke mo la rawe si ko in line column kumpa ka si fan na ke shan winatum soror line si finsat na si in molikatle tigurak len nak tulu el winat winsi wanan tumil molya el resurrected akalim na si na paye katang la lom ke makuluk Apa na mama sikya ke mo la sinakupaya kaditala kum finsak kinaloma pa kitin kainin siya uwo kitin kain wangin mas wangin mailya wangin maupe ka mama kumesin siya in mama kada kain shot na shum ka tapan kum kain mo sang akay kat kemolin lasung las na ki oralas na yemotom kitin kain fin nas masikya ke mo la kitin kalwini na shukom kalwini na tapan kum ke mo las kat kilo mala pamtal Tadai falila kaditola nakim dawag ni kisafla broadcasting yela in main katwikatyak in ain te akuluk yakan fosyak me in maslo sin si at lumalap kat pran subam tale fakulo kenin manatum Jesus Christ mitanglas amen amen let's share me roll clock sing it right quick I'm gonna share the time zone different time zones Federal system Micronesia, and then also in the mainland, like right now in New York, and Hawaii, Katawi, Gosh, Longulyaingina, 7:29 here in Hawaii. Today should be the 23rd. The 24th pa deadline na kay request na kay may 4 chimarik, special election chimarik na nga siya ang pasta ni kulangan si pagkanek time clock si mga share. Let me see. New York, right now, New York is early in the morning, 30 minutes after 12 o'clock. Tuesday, it becomes Wednesday morning. 30 minutes into Tuesday already. Wednesday in New York, KOSRAE and Pohnpei, 4:30 Wednesday afternoon. 4:30 Wednesday afternoon in Pohnpei and KOSRAE. Chuk, Micronesia, and Guam are the same time zone. That means it's Wednesday 3:30 in the afternoon. Wednesday 3:30 in Guam and Chuk, Micronesia. Koror, Palau, it's also Wednesday 2:30 p.m. The Marshall Islands 5:31 p.m. Ngaliek video si ko me mechi me record ye mechi sum nage restaurant si dal mga we no si patati we kanaos lang nga wangin gumili pang onas met mi siya wo yang nga loyang nage dal fakla wangin met injured ko me chapanar met ngalyak to dal na me mi siya ale pe no singa sum natit kapagatan na kina wangin utyak na kanaos la no phone na dun restaurant si Kwachilin and military army mga matawrik way. So the Marshall Islands and Nauru, the beautiful island of Nauru, is Wednesday 5:31 in the afternoon. Seattle, Washington, and San Diego, California. Evelyn Ligiak Marshway, Dallas, San Diego, California. So it's 9:30 k phone in Tuesday. Seattle and San Diego, California, and Seattle plus na magkusayaway. Pa torite ilan Marshway. Na awala dala pa HONOLULU phone in Tuesday. Nashville and Dallas, Texas. Some part of that, some part of this of Nashville and Dallas, they're having the same time zone. So that means it's 11:32 nighttime, Tuesday night in Nashville and Dallas. I don't know if it makes sense, what I mentioned about the time over there in Dallas, because Texas, Nashville and Dallas are in Texas, so everything in Texas is big. It's huge. So, yeah, well, that's exactly what it is. Atlanta, Georgia, masira nga include in Atlanta, Georgia. Minash may kusay mataway pe Atlanta, Georgia. Ingin na Wednesday. 33 minutes into Wednesday morning in Atlanta, Georgia. Denver, Colorado. June, Jordan, Megan, wala lang Argilas, Martha. Fongin me, Tuesday. Housing doing Tolu. Ada, Alaska is sharing the same time zone with Honolulu, Hawaii. So that means it's 7:33 Tuesday night, early in the evening, still early in the evening here in Hawaii. I hope this finds you in good health. So you can take a really quick glimpse at what it looks like out here. Pange, 10.5 ni siya man full kada shikta. Man, nothing you couldn't handle. It was a beautiful day. So right now it's 7:34 Tuesday night here in Hawaii. Welcome, kulamalap ki kumtagawiyan. Nachulpe song. Let me see. I'm gonna put on one song and then we can continue on with our broadcast. Ashmachi doing aki. There's some stuff going on in our community. Tasta yash fundraising event siya, Mayrikin San Cashel siya. Actually, tangiel pensilin matewan siya. Talik mo tayo singay mawil Romeo Alexia. Ernie Alexia ma il tako noyin no tepat nga ma it couldn't be more than 2 weeks or might be 2 weeks il may siya nga ma cancer pa Uya na pa ilashin no kita oro ipkuners na sin me talik mo din siya uyele siya sister-in-law siya lalitelitang kita oro ay nakikataran sin mo nakaiwa kita takainin ki tas to shukrin me kasha kay plan money our fundraiser kin sang me karingin molin me masing kita lako masing som floklen ako siya Masimetig ya mongkaya Michael wang la yin na ata pagpagina finan Hawaii. Nang so nagi onso ko I'm gonna get a song, a beautiful song. Aki me dedicate onso na si Penina Alistair. Elash. Uy. Kaman ekulu ko man wangin. Aldaangan siya ganun sa kong Those are my grandkids in the mainland. Yeah, these kids are having fun in the snow. Can't go wrong. Ayada ka na sikirin na rin ko makina kainja siya kolya kolin iklak malam siulan tatlong Hayırlar şükepus Ikiyo ngayar ko na chilin na len Ko makena ka inka siya kolyain Kolin nekla kolong mahuling tatmong Makena ka inka siya kolin nekla kolong nila kolong Siday ko noon sa ko na nga sige lilang ay kain suangin me share information masiluma sikyak ke community large finen Honolulu nge na kat asawa ito and si makatentawa nge main island of Oahu pangi capital in Hawaii pa and Honolulu asway Oahu mga share na shows nge pangi mamasikyak ke and makatentawa nge Harsh Church, Panga Church Lash, Itawi Lash, Oslo organizations, choir, Weyang Muramang, Weyang East Side, West Side, Ota, alana me active na pa community si mga kate, matakang si mga ki akalamigo sinito pa. Let me see, let me get this cleared up. Alina yok siya na pa kana kinga kalam ge special election here ke February no ya ke malim fasha ng 2024 may sa ngaul wang le kiriping wang le former congressman Palik na wele paingin ay lo shu ken ko siya I mean national government lo shu Arspe me congressman siya senator si finen chuk pa ilwangin le. Alin long alon course, linong liya ke finen Honolulu. Our polling site si me set up. Nga I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same venue. And maganda fa siya oraway me Lagoon Drive kay Lagoon. Pangi en ma consulate office la finen mata Shayla designating oreka election national election jinga way na ngamay na siela na ligi na pelna kay walen long ulia mait druk mait KOSRAE when panga kalim la congressman jipe way Chuk from the state of Chuk he'll pass away pe. Our special election ngayon man sang aula los le magispengwang le lalos nga kaya na nagimalan ko siya malan Chuk nga eurek masin kanin ng ulya nga ito le tong na ikek la niki maybe late into the night ikanam ta shek pa na ikek niki yaw cash mo tasha kaya confirm me kanin pang timetable ma ichikyak mga Mas yok siya na pa si Kyaklutu. If I'm not mistaken, you have to submit your request for absentee ballot. Confirm mo siya in Honolulu. Confirm ta Honolulu kung siya nga tikisom fort kaya nin fort niya kung kain request ballot to. Takati kung nekla na sa pala na kay national election may offices ngayon. Na panga patletari nga itala patletari me kumin kum ina na kun make sure la ID card loman nakasi issue am da sikya kebelin vote especially for the national election kume kana somta there's always something that would prevent you from exercising your right it seems like it's. I mean, there's a word called voter suppression. Kenik ma orek with intention idalin me or with ang gufla vote. Sik nga mo we don't know kat siya tasak pangay te na sipasingan pa or national election singa le problem when siya in state kaluo in state federal system micronesia ngale then a war or a ash but I come up with resolution they come up with measures to to solve these issues byproduct pa alana po na pa may misunderstanding po sila elia or end up not being able to vote ana kinga academy frustration la ngaya ke election si maurekle tari ma yosinil tao ya ka election singan kat so many vote kat ko flying for why next ke me voter roster siya ke vote met katasik ligia ke Aren just din ma ildal run nagigat foot lal tala. I was able to ngakin yigat kain foot ki ma se. The goyang nagat som within we participate ki special election che. Katika na ramin wang ninesh ket it was just completely not in the roster. Ano king academy king aro me masi lucky Facebook ngakina communicate akalam sin mo telo sin tan mo ko sin ma year putyak confirm ba siya yan Honolulu siya yan kuam siya yan pon be kum inina ko min aro yang ko min submit me absentee ballot request form singe kum kain ngala mo kum kain nek na sa paila ki me email address ma provided alef siya na pa kumin ko na peki kir online na nag website lan me national election lan federal system making siya na pa kumin obtain information address na kung mayroon ka kumin naklap ko iba siya kumin sa paila kumin ako sa palamet tigiyaw siya luo fong nito fin pa yamin talikia ke deadline mo len long limikos akatukwe en ko siya len long limikos akat len long lakos ifas ni en ko siya italilin February len long ulya akat February len long lakos ke lenin elect rek len fan na the election would kumi cast ballot ka kumi som vote ke kida vote convinda mainland abroad na en ko siya len ng ulimikos na en siya in particular finanawa len ng ulakos rek focingen len siya fan na parang a fact masingen fin fact mo deadline pa January len ng ulimikos pa deadline kumin submit me request na ballot absentee ballotan ital follow en micronesia en ko siya ponpe ma nakal me annual in the limikos cut in the lakos. Now, kumikain me submit request nage absentee ballot and all the way up to 12 o'clock midnight. If I'm not mistaken, legally this is how it's supposed to be done. Kumin sa paela, send your email for requests to request for that ballot. Postmarkia ki academia klakum send in your request before the deadline or right on the deadline. Now that should be legal. It's not confident 18 years old or you become 18 years old kung kain register kumin vote. Siya pang ate dalay mo ito I mean ingin akat dual citizenship singi allows us to vote in the United States kadin 40 President America kadin siya 40 me governor President Lars Finan me FSM federal system makin siya pangayok yan taga sila ngayon kita standby na ki ingin na siya na and dal enforce election ID card si dal issue na siyong kung na kung sum present na kung kain cast ballot luman asing kita syuk me tapan ma ingin na sendi pa samram ki masing anikin lail pa designated kail cash a volunteer line cash tamasing pangalan na kinapay sek pinason na me nawiyak le we have to stay ahead of the game inin na kitin sang pelan met ngayon now si fin pa met si as much dal designated responsible in national election na sin met ko siya at some point as communication ta ka na ro those sinakalay mo kwal pang date ma sila masing pang alana ke mit ma responsible ke masing ro na ke kataragi karingin me state election at some point mit ko siya dal communicate na siya kwal la election sige yesing vote line governor vote line lieutenant governor vote line later Italy Academy way in advance. And I'm pretty sure that the same thing is happening with the national election. A problem si mamda di ka nam ta shika ka pa. They're always waiting until the last minute. Na dal fan chin met nga wi kum tal na request si me ballot lom del absentee ballot ka. Ilalin at least met ma ita kyang responsibility singin som na ki en ma dal ta met ko sayang nga shwe Ilalin inform educate met nga kidinito la me sikyak pie timetables nga kai siya mamasirin mate kat me forak the batletari. Now the same thing is happening right now. Deadline singi katavana long shamanyak ke lening arsom la a deadline singi sikyak lutu finchu na singa luge fongin lutu na pangan il chaf la komteka in silpe shamram ke absentee ballot. Nara pangan mamay na inoreka then toni ngol me kosh pa ininagumin orela aksafiela request lo ngan intalaga la lentol ngon me kosh before the 29th Petiki election, special election days again. Apang timetable, timelines ma na katalin na kinapay na kuya klaks yo sila. Name siya nga tayo na understand la ifa kagat we fought si Marek Meta. Kat falok kidin win fof ke special election si ma insang kanayak la chichi ma RNL vacated so may become the vice president. Masing alimo, there is no excuse na painin na inawiyak. Ara pangas benta ko sila ngakita ko ng anak alimi na manas kung na you have to participate katika indana sa ano mo may tsaya relativization na kimait makatlima katramram ki may kulan and KOSRAE katramram na ki state level municipal level na mga national level. National government, alam na yok na pwes ba yung representation lash kat kimit may tao la me maile ka inaro kasyu kinda ka kaso kinasil yok la maning elvin samat ke shukya ka negotiate inash in so improve me and KOSRAE that fix up airports KOSRAE fix up mechanic KOSRAE fix up bridges, fix up our utilities, electric, utilities, fix up our water system. Make a difference that in might large financial improve health lalo sa ilo siya comfortable, ilo siya live comfortably. A fin fale woman ke waki kantalutut ke paya pala pelma ko may kolan en Israel ngil dos fast ke akwaklan kat nagkawa fale ke she was paye na maton fel singin ile prosperous kalme kita mula sa or kita spend more and more time within or our malankat so alu na sil so makflat elakam na shuilas. So, if we do the right thing, things will fall into its place. Fin shu also rekmalash, fin me, kachukrin ara ma kin kenik paye. Shaflain manikawa outcome kaya wu. Now, God as citizens, finan KOSRAE, kat finakalin mo ashma katli mo sa fay, gidin tem ta na misle. Parang amo platform sila ngay king arit makin masing nga. This is the purpose. Nga, ininangan palay, ngayon nangan siya malalain, siya siya was in me, sagak mga inatress siya. May our responsibility lang ngayon losin, or in fact, fall nag-iakwak, nag-masak, mama, kat-expect mo ipangay, mawuma siya so. Araw, pangit ako lang naki-ipsi nga, nga takangan akalemye, finchunaw siya nga lo ke fongin lutu, midnight, nakumtikan siya pasaram ke request na ke absentee ballot. Na special election siya nga irekilan nungulya. Kung dahil stand by, kudam tatapan la idalita ko orela ID card lash ko kudin shukla idal initial me included ke me roster siya nga. Nakiakwak na ke voters registration ka voter roster siya nga kita la ka mama sikyak ya pa confin register at some point in your life. Kung yasio for ka register le 50 years ago or maybe 75 years ago kung siyak na inem pa yan na ki me roster sing registration photos roster sing apa national government ikulang arsinim ke election sing one ke election che fasha arsinim ke election sing special election che lu tolu to ka wang ni nem ke ara alin na upena pa got frustrated na pa ke la kumin som data la kumekain cast ballot lo man la chipe fa ka ngamot is pe u para sikya kang ara kadin na kadin me bring it up with the proper appropriate agencies ka department ka personnel lalin look into this. They got to put a stop to this in nakita la siya karingin mga sige national election sige la fin pa kumpa for if ka not na problem ke amin masir ang aking complaint kaya may nga pa karang in state election wang na pa kaya niya kat encourage may dahin kanda ka exercise rights la lalos in fourth akat encourage pa may dahin ka may register la elosin kain it doesn't qualify elosin may we in our voices lalos naki may ma kachulala may call matan fella siya alin naki may call la finan ko siya niki penakafa na may ma-awal ka naki national government katinin na nakitin inayin may policy siya inayin may trash ke akwak inayin may makonsum naki congress naki national government work with the rest of the members congressional members inayin war relationship ina kumin syukumin kin kanik pa kumin kain orek ma awal ka tle Kumtel fin shuk may wo kat fin shuk may wo inaw kat itali improve ko siya naki airport lark naki water system na pipe ki faga ko fung equality naki kofin nim latrong nakin kenik main akfolya yakle losin akfolya lan kenik at simenila long term solutions inte yanake wa nine ara pangamama ka din natin ora ka din natin chuk may ma chuwas in kenikla may ma pangin not may ma focus nagi well-being lan state my representing on every level the municipal the state and the national level ka din natin ingena from now on may ngali mo aliar na pala quality of our people, KOSRAE, possibly might some dal educated, dal access nagi management nagi kaini noyama ilalika in sang Ronnie and she's carrying in and she's finan KOSRAE. Pangan siya yok siya katagangan from kusin ito la art deadline si naki deadline si naki request na kaya absent pala siya ngayon I know for sure I was nga look at phone in the two pangan isaf na katikan siya siya kaya na sulperas may election siya kaya nga may pangan ako lang malapla I feel so much better lang tagangan civil pa may fin siya kin may lo siya run na congressional seats nga pa finan nila pa anang wele mawiyal palik na wele mas congressman na palik na wele Johnston palik natol petwell ilpa siya pe candidate na kayan pakat charram kel sonchin natol pasta esho na NDC natol mas tekin singet siya losa pa ishiki me losin awalkat naki national government insang nekla 2 years seat chima vacated makisipen me wang lalal congressman late congressman palikweli alipangan nakiyipla ka pang asyuk ba follow ko should be follow up, touch up, finars information nga obtain ki me correct ID card sing ang sikingan share as soon as I can. Having siya, might may mga ngayon sila kaya kalim yung alam mo, art might siya make sure la art photos ID large. Pangay might ngayon na go out of their way ilal inform the general population finanyan no. Kung fin tatlet they request malaman na kung di kain we participate. Tara kung fin ta finan Honolulu el designated polling place and Pohnpei designated place polling site Ain kuam is the same thing. Kung finas nga na cross your fingers, knock on wood kung may cast ballot lo man kung kain ko na kiname or for some reason you walk up and all of a sudden you realize that you don't have your voter's ID. Anigin belay for that enforce shuke nag-state election kate na enforce voter's ID ang itang niya mo nga kate daw na phone na mo KOSRAE tayo nang anan nga mo pangay they call it bureaucracy kudagin ganik shuking ganik mind sang discourage you might exercise their rights to to cast their ballots on the election day. Pangay Lucian me masilak me sila ganoon sa waluka Mama on siya ko pa ngay. Katsa si pa osun ke podcast sila ko. Naka-recap me. Tosta ke week ngay. Gusto mo siya ngay. Tosta ke week ngay. Rek fundraise sila. Balik mo tayo siya uyal Romeo ma. Hair ni Alex siya mga pa-axel pencil tao lang. Pencil tawan siya. Wala man na, kita rapel na ko, nagkikat rapel na ko, kung aryang na kaya, kung pinmay siya, alas mga finne, kung show up, finne mes, kung show up kayo na yun, akpos siya, akalim siya, wala, kumisamal sa na, yali na, kaya na pa yun, samtas na kiwik siya ngayon. Alas mga mga siya ngayon, masalal mong kuya pa crash siya, klaki, quick tarya, lynching along course, pagpaki lynching alimay course pa funeral service sila lawari ko. Na may si pe rekpang nga saram si was ki deadline 12 o'clock midnight on the 24th year in Hawaii. Pa deadline naki request naki absentee ballot. Alip siya na pa kung may request fin posted it mo orela na wo deadline jinga lorela expire na kung i-request pa may commitment submit may ballot law man ongoing report may wow lang na nila kasi nga tinawiyalu ano kinla si Henry at alkam na talong na mga luwe mansiya na oral alay kaya antita lain alam mo pa tayo siya kiro na pat ka naman tao ro ala siya ki siya tini tayo nakatakan ng mga luwe na kulaki kama tayo siya kita meeting siya pa na pa karoon meeting lalal meeting dan siya may kupot sa silalos Yataria son Natal Mary siya wala na siya David tidal pa personal dapat siya kaya kan na pina na Honolulu katakulat patapsir plan na nila Chunan Melon Chulalan Butwa na opas lang dapat siya ama dapat siya kita rona panagko kita and rugby Pinashkaw, direct sashimi, direct mousse, katak, pasha. Oh, slap cola gede. Koyo gela, watermelon. Mani, kudali matani, tayo naik tape. Plate polom, dahil yung dami sumna lang sundala, kundi direct mo kisyan, no? Man, that's how that one's a roll, okay? Can't help it, that's how we do it. Galvin kita live dazom chef si Dasta William live kay Daram aki sangin siya nagwakat mura kat nakinsangin siya katikain tafalu alalo kimakatira just go for broke man ano gina kung masala ka na nila kung wangin ma sipain tafalu ki mamum deltaro Finmartin na masih taraki ka lang sa kayas. Kat hindi sangin siyas ka magtara. Nakat tayo, forget it. Tayo tayo. Ang naklat tayo. Silan talim tayo si mapaksil pencil ang laplo na KOSRAE. Of course, I think it would be the first week of next month, February pa service ngayon ka may funeral service na. Then sila umata ko yan na ispayak ka na KOSRAE. Hello, one. Siyempre mamasikiyak in Hawaii. Not necessarily you're in Honolulu. Lakin ye Solomon ilwang le lusum na nikin sonash makalim ki lay pakpak nga ko fin may pakpak lay pakpak na kay sum na kusay. Asam jil son natala ikaya. For the past couple of days ka fin de kaya il aklala sum ke meeting sil. Tena sure la may water lale may sum na kusay ka la pakpak na finenye no. Finne pangen med status ki med wang neslan na kenye Solomon nga. Kalem tayo la yash viewing service yung rekla na siya. I live in some nakray. I live in pakpaki viewing service at good viewing service yung nale pakpaki na kona. Kain siya nga yala wo finash ka paslom na sinsyawan ka kung finne kat kiyot pa siya yakat orala mo kat ke muraye kung jakla mali mutuang in mura last finanya na wala pa na kuminsum matata pang yurin siya nga si fe nang palaking nga mga fin mail ya sikat na siya fin may tataga siya in pangi oyen moral support slash na sin kasi siya ang aske pa pala kumin karingin una sin kat lang si kat ako ako ye mulan matalan lo may kuyon same thing same principle kung may sas tena yokla mulin sokla kung tayo na o da maui kung tayo kung susukla siya uwan talik natalyan so nakalimila kung may sama dos ke pelupe mga sikyan silos nga yalo na those are lasting impressions nga finre na siya nga ati kan manggal na ito la me hoye sila mo ito ilal fusestan malikan na mga wumatarit na sila la mamarin sila mawumarin sila nga alifusestan mga ilusin malikan na para kung fisom mtata yurin siya kung tiran sin may da kung man sin kat kung tala pang mamakat tayo may ka na mawukumara kung ti concern kaya kung itala katil lang siya na yes yun katil ti kan man ka na iaspel yok masik nga tako ikain sang talikat lega ikain sang kaprikati para catching if mo kung na kung credit loan credit po in build your credit kung so nine kasahod kung wang na sum nine kasahod reunited with your almighty father almighty father ito ko meros ka ilang lang ka kainin according to mawuwuma kumrela ara ko pinso kung kansi film graduate le itak mga din na nalason lang kumisom na yung kasawa ko pinarawo na sin matwiyom ka matlong ang mamaisik ka. Dari, I want to wish you a safe and peaceful rest of the night. Take care and God bless. Hello, love you.